Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I want to DIY a fun Valentine's Day tray using items from the Dollar Tree. I found this great little plastic tray at Dollar Tree. It's already like a beautiful gold color, which I love, and I want to try to preserve some of that. So what I do is I'm just going to line it with painter's tape here on the inside because I wanted to paint it. I wanted to go with a vintage vibe for these Valentine's Day DIYs, and I wanted a little surprise of a green. So I'm mixing a couple colors together, like a leafy green, a cloudless color, and it gives me this great like mint green color, which I think is going to contrast really well with red for Valentine's Day. So I'm just using that to paint the outer part of the tray. This is going to be a decorative tray that I can display on the side. And I found some great items from the Dollar Tree to really add a bunch of bling to this. Now, this was my horror right here. I had no idea that I couldn't use just painter's tape on these trays from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, it caused some damage to my tray. I'm gonna fix it though. I'm gonna leave it like the gold color, but yes, it happens to all of us at crafting fail sometimes. I did have some metallic gold acrylic that I got at Dollar General. And so what I'm going to do is just sponge that on and try to make it look intentional. I'm going to have to paint most of it to cover that up. So you might want to, if you're going to paint it, don't use painter's tape. Lesson learned. I never really thought that would happen. That stuff is not super sticky. So I just add more of the gold until it's that nice shiny metallic like I like, and I kind of like it. Now to kind of give it that distressed look it had before, I sponge all over with just some Antique Wax by Waverly to give that old look since we're going for a vintage DIY, and I think that's going to work. I also use some of that gold metallic with a sponge and just kind of drag it over all of the dots and the frame of it to make that contrast against the green a little bit. Now, Dollar Tree has some really great textures and stickers. These are like little corners and pieces that I think are really vintage looking and fun for Valentine's Day. And I'm just going to paint mine red. So I've already got the gold and I've got the green on there. So I'm definitely going to need some pops of red. So I did the 4 corner pieces and just painted them a bright red with some acrylic paint. They also have some of these great like laser cut hearts. I thought this one was really decorative. And they even have little wood words. This one spells love, and I love the cursive font. So what I'm going to do is paint the little heart cutout bright red too, so we can have another pop of red. And then for love, I thought maybe I would just do that one in white. That can pop up against that gold background, and we can add all these little fun details to this sign. So I thought maybe love, the heart next to it, and then have it framed out with these little corner stickers. How cute are these? They're so decorative. Definitely going with the vintage vibe I was going for on these Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs. I decided that maybe another heart would be cute. That way it could be a little bit more centered with the word love. So I just took another one of those hearts and I painted it red. And I'm also going to use another one of those stickers that I used that had the corner pieces. I'm just going to attach everything with hot glue here. Love last here. I'm glad I did that in white. And then this sticker I'm going to use to decorate the little O there in the middle to give it a little bling too. And it had the word love in the middle of it already, so I put that sticker in there too, and it really helps bring it all together. I did distress all of the stickers with a little bit of that metallic gold too, just using a makeup sponge. And I wasn't done yet. I wanted a lot of bling on this one, so I decided to continue the frame by using some of these little red bead stickers from the Dollar Tree. They're already red, so I think that's going to be perfect. And it kind of goes with the beads that are already on the tray. This is how it turned out. I think it's so fun and vintage looking for a Valentine's Day.